What's up, YouTube? Going to shoot some guns. Freedom. Freedom. Yeah, we're on our way to shoot. Got a lot of all our friends. We got some pals joining us today, some guests. I'm tired of doing these videos by myself. So no gimmicks, no reviews, nothing like that. Gonna sight in some rifles from my buddy and gonna just shoot just to have fun because it's a right and we gotta fight for that right, gotta keep it going. So I got two both my AR 5.56 and my 7.62. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot that one up the 308, but I'm gonna shoot the 5.56 because I hadn't shot it enough. I need to break it in. And of course I got my new Remington 700. Love that rifle. I'm gonna sight it in with some Barnes Vortex 168 grain. Excited to see how that does. Hope it groups well. But it works as that's the best stuff he's ever shot. It's what he loves. So we'll see how it does. Hopefully it at least gets 1-inch groups. But yeah, and I got some Shockwave explosive targets. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna blow one of those up today. See if because that's what we're gonna do with our gender reveal. About to slide. Baby Bison gender reveal. That's next week. So I'm trying to have videos coming more often. So anywho, we're having a good time. We're having a great time, aren't we, babe? We're having a good time. So yeah, we got all kinds of friends today. So all right, well, just giving you a little intro there, what we're doing today. Wife's being awesome holding the camera so you guys can slide all over the dash. But yeah, so gonna be a good day. So all right, guys, see you at the range. There are street names out here on this dirt road. You don't see that very much anymore. And there was some really nice houses out here too, which is also strange. If we were invaded, if America was invaded, they wouldn't. I think they'd be all right out here. I don't think anyone would come this far. Man.
Zero cell service.
No cell service. So I guess they have to either have some cell phone boosters or whatever those things are. Is that a thing? Cell phone boosters, like signal boosters. Anyways, I don't think you have internet.
Probably not.
Imagine. Could you do it, guys? Could you live out here with nothing? Probably be a lot happier. The craziness of the interwebs bothering you. News, all the silly things of the world. Man, this is crazy. 15 minutes, yeah, it turned into about 30 minutes. I'm not gonna have enough freaking daylight left. Uh-oh. What the? Are we here?
So you got a peek?
What is he doing? Maybe now there's a gap. Just gotta open it up. That's nice.
That's ugly.
Yeah. Man, this is nice. This is something Bob Ross would paint. We're like driving through a Bob Ross painting right now. That's his name, right? Bob Ross, the painter? Yeah, that's his name. I miss that guy. Sad he's gone. Man, this is crazy. All out here to shoot guns. I would play some music, but you know, with the way YouTube is, copyright laws and all that fun stuff, you can't really. I don't know. I don't want them to like pull my video down or cut the sound out or anything. They get mad when you do that, apparently. Oh, here we go. It's starting to open up a little bit. Nice. Hopefully I can stretch out that 308. I've been shooting all day, and now we're ready to go. But before we go, I'm going to test out some of the Shockwave explosives I picked up from work at Reynolds Outdoors. So Let's see if I don't miss. I hope not. All right, going hot.
I think that's plenty.
I told you not to put the tongue in there. Oh God, it
Word! I'd say that works.
Wow. I felt the shockwave.
I felt it in my chest.
Let's shoot another one.
Oh, no.
Damn. Bring your phone.
All right, let's go down there and see what we destroyed. Oh man, it splintered this stand. Oh, there's a steel plate hanging there. Wow, that's going to be a heck of a gender reveal next weekend. You can get that at Reynolds Outdoors. We've got tons of it in stock. It works. That stuff works. Man. Well guys, we appreciate you watching. Next week I'm going to do the big baby bison gender reveal. And we're going to be using that stuff to blow up the chalk, pink or blue. So let me know what you think the baby's going to be in a comment. And remember to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. But man, that was awesome. Very pleased with that explosive. Remember, that's Reynolds Outdoors sells it, so be sure to go pick you some up. And come see us real soon. And we want to thank everybody that came out to the grand opening. That was awesome. We sold a lot of guns, saw a lot of awesome people, had a great time. Man, it was everything we hoped it would be and more. So just want to thank everybody that showed up. Thank you, Tyler and Clay Reynolds, for the job and the opportunity. Really enjoy it. So hope to continue to do it for a long, long time. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Peace.